At the beginning I couldn't believe how much gear you can store in this tiny pouch. With this gear you can cut, you can pry, you can light your way, you can even ride on the water if that's your jam. And today I'm gonna show you what do I carry in my Micro EDC pouch. First up, the Zero Feud pocket pouch, measuring just 3 by 4.5 inches, made from durable gray hex 420D nylon, YKK zipper, a keyer hanging tab, and a hook and loop for your favorite Ranger eyes. It's perfect for today's gear. Next, the Victorinox Alox Mini Champ. This Swiss Army knife measures 2.25 inches and weighs just 1.4 ounces. It packs a punch with more than 10 different tools, including blades, bottle opener, screwdriver, and even a ruler. It is just perfect for most of my needs. The Rovivon Aurora A2 keychain flashlight, made from stainless steel and CNC machined. This little flashlight can reach up to 650 lumens and a tail lanyard hole, with a rechargeable lithium polymer battery that lasts up to 30 hours. You can't go wrong with the Smith & Wesson handcuff key. Compact and made in the USA, this tool ensures I'm prepared for any situation that might require a quick release. Next is the Big Idea Design Mini Titanium Pry Bar. At just 1.75 inches, it's perfect for light-duty prying, opening tape boxes, and even scoring materials. Plus, it's TSA approved, making it travel friendly. This is the Vero Engineering Mini Fulcrum with a frag pattern on the back and a blue anodized titanium pocket clip. It's a 3.5 inches pry bar. On the back, 4mm Vija bits, including Phillips and flathead. And this one, it's even numbered. Next, we have the Big Idea Design Titanium Pocket Tool, or TPT. This is a Pete's Pirate Life Edition, with custom pirate theme even for the utility blade. Made from black washed grade 5 titanium. It includes a bottle opener, a flathead screwdriver, an internal magnet, and it accepts standard utility razor blades. This is a matte black bullet Fisher Space Pen, made of brass with a black powder coat. It writes in extreme conditions, from zero gravity to underwater. It measures 5.35 inches open and only 3.77 closed. Whether I'm writing down notes or signing important documents, I know this one is always reliable. And of course, you know me, I had to have a knife, but not a toy knife that would fit in this pouch. This is the ProTech Round 5, an automatic knife with a CPM 20CV reverse tanto blade of just under 2 inches, an overall length of only 5.2 inches, black DLC finish and anodized aluminum handle, with a weight a bit more than 2 ounces. Right hand, tip up, deep carry pocket clip, and a 3-finger grip. maybe 4 if you add a lanyard. The action of this one is insane, just look at this. And the sound, so satisfying. Hope you guys like it, and I truly enjoy going through my gear to see how many things I could fit in this tiny little pouch. Check out my Instagram and tag me if you also have a Micro EDC pouch. Stay safe, and I'll catch you on the next one.